In this video, I will show you how to turn any image into Ghibli style using AI for free. Start by going to the ChatGPT website or open the ChatGPT app on your phone. The steps are the same on all devices. Make sure you're logged into your account. You do not need any kind of subscription because this method is completely free. First, click into the text box and type the prompt. I will write "Convert this image into Ghibli art." After that, look just below the text box and you will see a plus icon. Click on the plus icon and you will get a few options. You can upload an image from Google Drive, OneDrive, or directly from your computer. I will choose to upload from my computer. Once you click on Upload, a File Explorer window will pop up. Find the image you want to convert and select it. This is the image I will be using. After you select your image, wait for it to finish uploading. When the upload is complete, just press Send. Now, ChatGPT will begin creating the Ghibli style image. If you are using a mobile device, you will need to stay on the app while it is generating. If you are on a computer, you can do other tasks while it works. The process might take a few minutes depending on how complex your image is. Once it finishes, you will see your new Ghibli style image. Click on the image to make it bigger. To save it, look for the download button in the corner and click it. That is it. Your Ghibli style image is now ready.